I know you were also focusing on kind of your cover letter, so we're going to come over here.
Do people still, no, legitimately, do people still even have cover letters?
So cover letters, you know, as someone who's hired hundreds of people in my career, cover letters I get all the time. They're still very formal, and I think how to write a cover letter matters, especially because I know you're focused on big, bright things for your future. So what we wanted to do is to take your cover letter, and before we dive in here, there's an acronym that I love called WORK, W-O-R-K. And it essentially goes through why you. So when you write a cover letter, hit it hard. Why you? Why are you the best for this? O, offer up examples. Don't just say I'm the best at this because of one thing. Give me really clear examples. And then the R is reiterate why you're the best. So have you moved revenue of some kind? Have you helped a business before? Were you named the best by your boss in a prior job? And then the K here is know your grammar.
That one drives me
insane.
Drives me nuts. I completely lose track of everything else. All I see is the typo jumping
It's
out.
like know about there and there, please.
Exactly.
Please.
Please know about there and there.
So really quickly going through this, you know, you came right out and you started to tell me kind of why you were really good. That was great. I want you to put in a lot more examples in reiterating the best. Generally, I think we could actually add a lot more detail, right? This is a really short cover letter. Often they should be a full page. And then on the grammar thing, one thing I'm a stickler for is formalities. So things like hello, it really should be Dear Miss Rachael Ray. And on your sign off, not thank you for your time, but sincerely Alexa Von Tobel. So again, those kinds of details, but best of luck. You're gonna kick so much butt. We love it.
Yeah, and clearly she can make a fortune.
Wow.